In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freelance portfolio using Notion, complete with a free template and a step-by-step walkthrough that should take no more than 5 minutes. Let's dive in and create a professional-looking portfolio that showcases your work and skills to potential clients. First, you're going to need a Notion account. Head over to Notion's website, where you can sign up or log into your existing account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion home, which is your personal workspace. Here you can access various tools for managing your projects, documents, and more. Next, look for the Marketplace option in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. The Marketplace is where you can find numerous templates created by the Notion community. These templates are great starting points and can save you a lot of time and effort, so click on Marketplace to proceed. Inside the Marketplace, you'll want to use the search bar to find a template that suits your needs. In this case, we're looking for a freelance portfolio template. Simply type Freelance Portfolio into the search field and hit Enter. A selection of templates will appear, each uniquely designed to help you present your projects and achievements beautifully. With a variety of options now before you, spend a moment looking through the results. Picking the right template is about finding one that aligns with your personal style and the type of work you do. Whether you prefer something more visual or something that prioritizes written content, there's likely a template that fits. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to open a preview. Being able to preview the template is a fantastic way to see its layout and elements. Take a few moments to look through all the components of the template. Does it cover all the bases for what you want to display, like past projects, skills, testimonials, and contact information? If so, and you feel it matches your brand, go ahead and select it. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to duplicate the template into your workspace. This action usually involves a simple click of a button. By doing this, you can now personalize the template to better reflect who you are as a professional. Add your details, tailor sections to highlight your special skills, and perhaps even include visuals like project screenshots or a personal photo. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've created a polished freelance portfolio using Notion. This tool is incredibly powerful for freelancers wanting to showcase their work in a neatly organized and accessible way. Take the time to refine and update it regularly, and you'll have an impressive portfolio ready to share with clients at any moment. Thanks for watching, and happy portfolio building!